Hi everybody, Natalie here, and in this video we'll show you an easy way to make an organic insect spray so you don't get eaten alive by mosquitoes and flies. Here's what you'll need: several branches of rosemary, a paper bag, a pencil or pen, 2 elastic bands, a measuring cup, a medium-sized saucepan, and a plastic spray bottle. Okay, let's get started. We'll start by cutting several branches of rosemary off our rosemary plant and bundling them together with one of our elastic bands. Now we'll take our paper bag and punch 10 to 12 holes all around the bag. We'll place the rosemary bunches in the bag and close the top of the bag with our other elastic band. Keep the bag in a cool, dry area for about 2 weeks to let the rosemary dry out. When you're ready, remove the dried rosemary from the stem. You need about 1 cup's worth of rosemary leaves. Now boil the leaves in about 3 cups of water. Let it cool and pour it into a plastic spray bottle, storing it in the fridge. When you're ready to head outside, take the bottle with you and give yourself a spritz. Not only will it help keep the bugs away, but it'll be really refreshing on a hot summer day. Thanks for watching. Share your recipes for organic insect sprays in the comments below. And don't forget to visit Fix.com for more useful videos, blogs, and so much more.